Welcome to Cybersecurity training. In this video we will be talking about Steganography and Altered Data Net Streams, ADS. So this is important because people that are trying to hide something may use something called Steganography, and that is the art of hiding a folder behind an image. And we will demonstrate how this can be done. So all somebody would have to do is create a zip folder called zip and have an image saying nothing. And what we would do is typically run this command. So it's copy space /b space nothing.jpg plus zip.zip space final.jpg. We hit go, and as you can see, it has copied the files across. To the naked eye, it looks like a normal image. It opens up as a normal image that you can see. However, not everything is as it seems. So if we look at nothing, which was the original JPEG, and the size is 56.5 KB. Now we do the same to final, and you will see that it's 15.6 megabytes, quite considerably larger. So hold on a minute. It opened up as a normal photo. So how do I get to the files? With something like 7-zip or WinRAR, you can open the manager, double click on there, and then you will see the files behind it. This method is actually very hard to detect. So apart from the help of clicking on a file and viewing what's possibly behind that file, it would be very difficult. The other thing that we're going to talk about is alternate data streams. So for example, first thing we would do is create a file. To do this, we could simply run a command like this. So echo what you want to say in the text document, nothing to hide here, arrow, and then hidden.txt. We now have that file on the desktop, and inside we have what we put: welcome red team. Echo welcome red team. However, if we're sneaky, we want to put some data behind that text, then we can use something called alternate data streams. For example, we could then put echo what I want to put, so password 123, into hidden.txt, which is our file on the desktop, and then with the ... exit.txt, I've created a new document within that document of text. So when we hit enter, that has now copied that into this document. But hold on a minute, it just says welcome red team. But if we want to look at the text behind it, all we have to do is use the following command: notepad, hidden exit.txt, exit.txt. As you can see, we now have password 123 in the document we put. But actually it's the same document. If we were to remove this off the system, that would follow with it. The other thing that we can put is, well, hold on a minute, maybe I want to add something new to that document. That's fine as well. So we can simply put the following command, echo 123 maybe 45, and do double arrow into that hidden.txt, and then when we open it up again using Notepad, we can see that it's copied that next bit of data into that document. However, to detect this kind of alternate data stream, you can use the following command, dir/r. And as you can see, we have this hidden.txt, and next to it we have hidden.txt, exit.txt, $data. So that's what we would typically look out for. And then what we would do is Notepad and then the name, and then we could see the data behind that text. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for further content.